Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your Snapchat 2020 year in review. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is open up Snapchat, go to your camera portion right when you open it up, and just simply swipe up. And then under memories, you'll see here a look back at 2020, what a year it's been. You can just go ahead and click on it and it'll show you a brief past history of your Snapchat throughout the year. If it's not here for you, unfortunately, it just means that you haven't snapped enough. I'm actually quite surprised that this is here for me as I don't use Snapchat. But unfortunately, if it's not here for you, that means you just haven't used Snap enough. Maybe if it's a new account or something. But anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys where to get this on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.